What brought you to hypnosis?
I was tired of doing things that didn't work. I would be on a diet and I would get bored with the diet. And I thought, I wanted to give this a shot and see if this is for me. I would see myself in pictures and just feel matronly and old. And I couldn't stand to look at myself.
Do you feel there was a stress component of you gaining the weight?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I always call my sessions in the kitchen as a search and destroy mission. Finding that one food that would calm me, or, it was trying to replace something with food.
What was your first impression when you did your first hypnosis session?
It was interesting because it wasn't like what I thought hypnosis was going to be. It was more like a deep meditation. And I just felt very calm and relaxed, conscious, but just kind of more inside myself.
Have people been noticing and commenting on your weight loss?
Absolutely. My cleaning lady noticed the other day and she said, "Mrs. Barber, you're getting so thin," And yeah, especially people who haven't seen me in a while.
Do you think your health has improved?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I just feel lighter. I feel more confident. And I know that if I am having a rough day, I do one of my sessions and I just feel calmer and more relaxed after I do them.
Do you feel like the investment was worthwhile to do a hypnosis program?
Absolutely. It's not something I could have done on my own.